Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today we will assuage our hunger with a combination of garlic, mushrooms, lime and couscous. Let's start with mushrooms. You can use either white button mushrooms or baby bella mushrooms. We are using the aforementioned ones, so take about 100 grams and slice them up. Finally chop 2 cloves of garlic. Take 2 fresh chilies and slice them up finely as well. Take a lime and quarter it. We will need 2 quarters for lime juice and 2 for garnish. Take a pan or a skillet and pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Heat it up, add the garlic and sauté it until lightly brown. Add the sliced mushrooms and 1 tablespoon of vegan butter. Add the chopped chilies and sauté until the mushrooms get lightly brown. Now add 1 cup of uncooked couscous. Stir gently. And pour in half a liter of vegetable broth. Add half a teaspoon of freshly milled black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir gently and add lime juice from half a lime. Now bring it to boil and then turn off the stove. Cover with the lid and let it sit until the stock is completely absorbed, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. You should have a nice, fairly dry, firm texture. It shouldn't be too wet, so take a fork and fluff it up a bit. Take your favorite dish because it's time to plate it up. If you want to spice it up even more, sprinkle some dry chili flakes on it and garnish it with some spring onion and 2 lime wedges we sliced earlier. This garlic, mushroom and lime couscous is fairly light yet filling dish. It's the perfect choice for your light lunch or dinner. If you like this recipe, don't forget to check out the rest of our channel. like, share and subscribe so you never miss a thing. And don't forget that you can veganize anything. Thank you for watching and see you next time.